Hi everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel where the drawing tutorials are experiments and vlogs. And in this video I will show you how to draw a realistic eye like you see behind me. And when we're done, you will learn how to draw a realistic eye with beautiful eyelashes, eyebrows and all those cool details, both from the front and from the side. But before we start, I want to borrow just 15 seconds of your time to show you a really cool surprise that will make you even a better artist.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
This is my full free 12-week art course and it's for you. In this art course, I teach you everything about portrait drawing. You can learn how to draw the head, nose, mouth, ears, and so on. It's a complete drawing course. You can find the link in the description down below and you can get started right after this eye tutorial is over. Now let's get started on the realistic eye. Here you can choose which realistic eye you want to learn how to draw. You can also find more tutorials below, and also remember to hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or if you just have anything to tell me, and I try to answer all the comments.